Hello boys and girls, I'm live with that camera here, and today is, if I can wake this up, well, I have so much fun doing it. Okay, there we go. That's the wrong time, but it's about 1 o'clock, 15, whatever. Okay, so now I'm going to take this thing here. Sorry I've been jerking, just so many things to do. That box right there is a Unitech CX whatever. Okay, so let me get this. Oh, it's loose. Gosh. So many things trying to do it. Okay. I just been... Come on now. There we go. Grab. There we go. Okay. So now, and then just tighten this. Is that close enough? That's close enough. Okay, great. So that's showing pretty much everything like that. This is showing the box. I just had my scissors. There they are. Okay, so only got one shot at this, right? So, okay, and there's that camera there. That's my backup. And the address is on top, so open it from the bottom, all right? So, I have a power cord handy and all that, and I'm gonna run off to work here, and just as soon as I finish doing this, as you know, so it goes like that. Alright, so we got styrofoam in the bottom. Oh no, he really packed this thing well. Oh, I'll be here all day doing this. Oh gosh. Alright, what did he do? He put this thing in styrofoam and wrapped it in. Oh, this will make a mess. I have to be out here with a vacuum cleaner picking all this up. Okay, so what is this here? That's the speaker. Okay. Oh. No foam rubber, huh? Okay. I mean, no foam plastic. This is... Oh, man. And these are the type people I tell them, well, hey, you know, put this stuff in plastic. See, maybe I can just fall that out of there. All right. Okay. Yeah, all right. There we go. So now I'll just hold this up to you nice and close so you can see it. I didn't bring a measuring tape, but that's what it looks like there. Okay. And it says, anyway, you can see that there. Hopefully. Okay. And I'll hold it up here to you. So anyway, it's 15 ohms, or 15 watts, and it's like that, and looks like that there, alright, so, and it's got a curious, okay, so, this is really, okay, oh, this has a, alright, this has a flat and a right-angled plug, like you see in the European stuff. So this is very specific to this model. You can't be adding any other things to it. So, let's see here. I can get this off here. Great. And just, oh no, man, just, all right. Too much fun. I mean, this didn't come through the global shipping thing, so I mean, why the heck anyway. Okay, there we go. There's the other speaker. Oh, this has got the push-in deals that, well, you can't see that, but these push in, you rotate them, and they lock in place in case you're using them elsewhere. I don't want to see that on a few different things. All right, so here's the main unit. And again, all right, great. Just so, and there was 2 of these on eBay, wherever, and this was a part of a three-part deal. Or in other words, the guy had 4 boom boxes for sale, And I emailed and said, hey, I'm only interested in this one. I don't want the other 3 or 4 or whatever it was. Or this was part, whatever. But the reason why I got this one is because this one has all of its parts, as opposed to the other one that was on eBay was missing a knob. And I don't like buying stuff missing a knob, because then you have to go searching for the knob and all that. So there's that. Here's the door cover. It just kind of flopped off. I'll put that here for the time being. Get this, well, here, let's just pick this up real quick. So much how to be farting with. Alright, so get this out of the way. So now, okay, let's play with the vacuum cleaner. Alright, so it takes a standard, okay, so here, let me just show it to you, because there's no really good pictures on the internet of this thing. So here is the front of it, like that, okay, this, okay, and the antenna's bent, but that's okay, I can fix that. But again, here is the front of it, alright, like that. Here's the back of it, okay, and there, okay. So now let's, real quickly here, get this thing, oh good, alright, so there's that one. Right, so it's flat, and a pin, okay, so, there we go, that's one speaker. And then we have to actually open the panel here in the back to get this other wire to come out. I'm not even going to worry about that. Alright, just I want to play this real quickly and get on down the road, because I got to leave in a minute or two. So there's that. So now we got a power plug. I've got figure 8. That's figure 8. This is standard. Okay. So there we have it. So now I just needed to. How much can you see? You can see it, right? Okay. So there's that. Here, you can put this one up here, I guess. All right. And power. And it's on tape radio. Well, that's not good. Let's see here. Well, okay, well, I've got it. Does this have AC/DC switch or anything? Well, that is on, okay. Well, it's not getting power. Oh, I didn't pay a lot for it. Okay. Wait, what's this down here? Tape select. Oh, okay. No, that's different. So, well, it doesn't do anything. Okay, well, I haven't got time to sit here and try and figure it out, but that's what it is. That's what it looks like. Okay, well, I don't know. Okay, too much fun. All right, well, I gotta go. I'll clean this up later when I get home. I'll just be saying goodbye. What time is it? Come on, 1:21. I got 5 minutes, 4 minutes. I really got to be out the door right away. So good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. All right. Let me just take, okay, let's get this out of here, all right, get this out of here. Oh, did I hit the power button? Resume. Well, let's see here. So now, okay, and then, all right, and then just walking over here, I've got these couple of, that's a 777, and that's a, whatchamacallit, Toyota. Alright, good day, bye-bye, I gotta go. Thanks, bye for watching. And yeah, goodbye. 10 minutes. Bye-bye.